And Shiva, there's no వచ్చేసిందా?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So how are you feeling? First day, how was the first day experience?
Nice, very nice.
Very good. Okay. So what have you learned? Did you learn anything?
Sir, Arduino.
Arduino. Okay. What did you do with Arduino?
Sir, Arduino.
What did you do with Arduino?
Arduino అంటే దాని గురించి ఏంటని తెలుసుకోమన్నా.
Only in English.
చూస్తున్నాను. Arduino is about setting it.
Your video is somewhere else. It is showing the roof. Yes.
Okay.
So
whatever else Arduino is working or not.
Okay. What are you seeing? I can send you some useful links.
Okay.
So about Arduino, normally, there is something called as a Pinout diagram. Okay.
Okay.
What is the version that you are using? Arduino, what kind of board do you have? Do you know the version?
1 minute.
So normally your Arduino board will have a version. Okay.
Yes,
just
sir.
check on that version. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Please hold on. I'll connect you back. 1 minute. Please hold on. Available.
Okay.
Please be available on Zoom. I'm just
Okay.
coming back. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, Shiva.
Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah, sorry. I think there was some confusion at home.
Okay. How to connect LED to
I could not get you.
resistor? How to connect LED to resistor? I see it.
Okay, you have
Yesterday.
seen. Okay. Are you on
Already
laptop?
connected, sir.
Are you on laptop or phone?
Yes, sir. Laptop, sir.
Okay, I think your laptop has to be stable when we are having a call, Shiva. I think you need
Yes,
to
sir.
organize for some small stool where laptop can stay stable and the video is, nice and clear so that it can help others. Yeah. What else did you learn? If you can just let me know. So they have given you Arduino board, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And then what else did they ask you to do using Arduino?
No, not asking, sir. Let see it that what is working uses applications.
Okay.
Start only.
Okay, that's good.
That's all.
So, you know Arduino's website? Have you gone to Arduino website?
Yes, Google search it, Arduino working is not.
Okay, okay, okay. So, but the
Yeah.
better thing would be just hold on. I'll just give you some link.
Okay.
Which model of Arduino are you using? Do you know the
805,
model?
8081, 80.
That is your microcontroller. You are trying to tell me about the microcontroller number. Okay. I don't think that is the microcontroller's number. Okay. Arduino normally has Uno, Nano, like that. There's some specific word. Okay.
Okay.
I will let you know. I will let you know. 1 minute, please hold on. Uh, that's it. So there are several models basically. Okay.
Yes.
And yeah, I guess this should help you. Uh, let me just share you this information. Okay, copy link, and then I say I will give you on our chat window. Yeah, so you can just check that chat window. Okay, so then you will understand what kind of platform it is. Okay, and as I told you, there are many models. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
there is an IDE also, similar to how our software, IDE is there, right? Integrated Development Environment. In Python, we call it as IDLE. That is what we have been discussing, correct? So
Yes, sir. Yes,
Integrated
sir.
Development and Learning Environment we have for Python. Okay, PyCharm is once again an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay, similar to that, Arduino will also have its own IDE that you have to install. Okay.
Mm.
And yeah, look at the board, observe that there will be nano, mega, zero, all these are taglines for different boards.
Okay,
It
okay,
is
sir.
very important to make a note of those taglines. That is the model number.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
Do you
okay.
have the board on hand?
No, sir. No. Google.
You don't have the board right now. Okay.
No, no, no.
Ask Varun, Surya, or Prabhu to give you one board. Okay.
Okay,
I have another Arduino board, which is kind of a very advanced board. I will hand it over to you when you become, much aware of the uses of Arduino. Okay, because we can add many sensors to it. We can add, and we can actually make a product out of it. So that is what it is all about. So IoT is some space where you have to interact with hardware. You also have to interact with applicationware, that is software. Okay. And for you to interact with Arduino hardware, okay, you need a particular cable, okay, USB cable that will connect the Arduino board with your machine, okay, your PC or laptop or whatever it is. Okay, I will even send you the cable connector details. Please hold on. Give details of USB. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. So please hold on. Huh? I'm trying
Okay.
to create some notes and I will share that with you. Then, let me see if I can share that file with you here. There is something called Vishnu Shiva Varma folder. Okay, you can just check that file. Okay,
Okay.
so this is this will give you the cable details.
Okay.
Okay, and you can go through that when you have sufficient time. So can you read out the models? Is it the same that I have told you? Can you just check?
Yes, sir.
So there is Arduino Mega, Nano, Leonardo, Mini. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
all
sir.
those boards are there, correct? So
Yes, sir.
Arduino Uno is also there. Okay, Arduino
Okay.
N is there. So
Okay, sir.
those are the models. The first model that
Okay.
it has given, the list has given, is Arduino Uno. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
I will even share the. This kind of help, Shiva, you have to store them somewhere very safe. Maintain a repository. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's a brief about Arduino and plus the different models of Arduino. Okay. So these are important things for you right now. Okay. And then you also have, if you are working, normally you will be working with Arduino Uno, then there is something called Pinout diagram.
Okay.
Okay. So let me share a high definition picture with you. Okay. Yes, I have shared you one image. You can check that.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So this has to be in your mind. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Yesterday,
even the microcontroller, whatever you can
okay.
call, normally we call it as a microcontroller. In terms of um, smart boards, we call it as microcontroller. Then you should also understand the pinout diagrams for microcontroller. Okay,
Okay.
the actual chip that resides. Okay, so I have also shared that image. All this information is very, very important. Okay,
Okay.
and what is the kind of architecture it has? That means to say, how many ports does it have? What is each port all about? Okay, so
Okay, sir.
different ports. Yeah, even I have shared that. This should be a good start for you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so you will have uh, a load of information henceforth. That means to say you have to work on Python. That is already there. Okay, you can't miss that.
Okay.
That is mandatory, and
Okay, sir.
this is on top of it.
Okay.
Where do we collaborate both of these things, both Python and Arduino? Okay, there is one more thing that adds up. Okay,
Okay.
primarily a sensor. We will use some, let us assume a relay, 5 volts relay
Okay.
normally. Okay,
Okay,
there
sir.
will be a 5-volt pin there.
Okay.
Normally, all the tests that we conduct. So if you see
Okay.
the last image that I have sent, towards the bottom of the image, you see a reset, 3.3 volts, 5 volts,
Okay.
ground, V in, and analog pins, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the name of the microcontroller? It is towards your right of that image. If you can just open that image, you can see the name of that microcontroller.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what is that?
80 mega.
At
Mega
mega,
3238.
328,
338.
exactly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can
Yes, sir.
also see there is a power button, voltage regulator, correct? Crystal
Yes,
oscillator,
yes, sir.
USB. USB is
Yes,
the
sir.
place where we connect the cable. Okay, one side of the
Yes, sir.
cable, which is B type, B for
Okay.
ball. Okay, B type
Okay,
connector
sir.
goes into USB, and the other
Okay.
side will go to your USB 2.0 or USB 3.0
Okay.
port on your laptop PC.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so then what happens is I'll just give you one short example. Temperature sensor. Okay, that is one thing, and then you also have 5-volt relay. Okay. So you get all that help. Okay. So this is how you have to connect a 5 volt relay, 5 volt relay.
Okay.
And when
Okay,
you
sir.
are trying to connect this to the regular power supply, that is 230 volts, please be very careful. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in that image, one side it is connecting all your pins, which we call as jumper pins, to the
Okay.
Arduino board. Okay. We connect three, pins normally. One pin is, your VCC ground. VCC ground
Yes.
are red and black normally. Okay. Data you can
Okay.
change
Okay.
colors. Data you can place blue, you can place yellow, you can place orange. Those colors are also
Yes,
very
sir.
important colors. Jumper wires will be there. So use them very carefully. Okay. You
Okay, sir.
cannot have
Okay.
loose connections with the jumper wires. Okay. So
Okay.
because loose
Okay.
connections with the jumper wires may kill the board. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
it has to be tightly fixed into the ports.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
when you are trying to learn about all of these, and
Okay. Okay.
you also need to install Arduino IDE. Did they ask you to install Arduino IDE?
No, no, no.
Okay.
Uh,
Then you can work ahead of time. Okay.
okay.
I will give you the download link, and I can help you if you can just I think it takes hardly 5 minutes. Yeah, not more than 5 minutes. I think it should be much less than 5 minutes. I think let us do
Okay.
that. Okay, let us do that. I
Okay,
will
sir.
share the link. So yeah, click on that link. I will give you the instructions. So even I will do it parallelly so that, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So did you click on that link?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you should have got downloads, all this stuff, right?
Yes, sir. Code online download.
Downloads.
Yes, sir.
What is the version that
Arduino
you are seeing?
IDE. Arduino IDE 2.1.
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Tell me what you are seeing.
Sir, Arduino IDE 2.1, 1.1, sir.
Okay.
Version.
And right side, there is a blue patch, right? Right side, there
Okay,
is
sir.
a
Wind.
blue, yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
what
sir.
is that?
Windows,
Download
Wind
options.
10.
Download
10.
options. You have to check the first
Yes,
download option. Can
yes,
you
sir.
read it for me?
Windows, Win 10 and newer 64 bits.
Correct. Your laptop screen, your video is showing me the top. Yeah,
Okay.
much better.
Okay, sir.
So yeah,
Yeah.
click on that. Click on that.
Yes, sir.
The first option. Then it
Yes,
should
sir.
say support the Arduino IDE, contribute and download, just download. There are two options, correct?
Yes, sir. Just download contribute.
Then you have to click just download. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Then it will, you can close this, and your download will happen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So where is it getting downloaded? Into your downloads folder, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I'm just sharing even, if you are using Chrome, what will happen is if you press Control J, then you will see the status of that download.
Microsoft Edge, sir.
Microsoft?
Can you please shortcut? Microsoft Edge. I downloaded. I downloaded that, sir.
Microsoft Edge. Okay. You are using Microsoft Edge. Okay.
Okay.
One moment,
Okay.
please hold on. I think even that will have the same functionality. Microsoft Edge. What you do is when you're trying to hit on download, you can press Control J. It will also show you
Okay,
the
sir.
downloads. Same Control J.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are keep,
Correct?
sir. Sir, open
Microsoft
file.
Edge
Yes,
may
sir.
show it slightly different. So I will even share that.
Okay. Sir, download.
Download it.
Download is over, sir.
Yeah. So that is Microsoft Edge. I have even shared the screenshot of Microsoft Edge. Yeah, download is finished. Go to the download folder.
Okay. Download
Then
folder.
you have to double click on Arduino IDE 2.11 Windows 64-bit.exe, right? That is the file that you get,
Yes, sir.
correct? Double click on that. What are you getting? Have you executed that file? Double click.
Yes, sir. Execute, sir. I agree. Cancel. License agreement.
License agreement. Okay. So this is the terms and conditions that they give us. You can say I agree.
Okay.
Okay. Then what is the
Okay.
next screen?
Choose installation option. Only for me, Shiva V. Anyone
You
use the
you have to be very clear when you are speaking, Shiva. Okay.
okay.
That is what you are lacking right now. So
Okay.
see, I am speaking out, right? Loud, clear, each word,
Okay.
complete sentence, everything has to be
Okay.
clear. Okay.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
fear for anything, nothing to fear. Just
Okay.
leave everything aside. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what you have to
Yeah.
do is you have to be louder and clear.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
if you ask me, yeah, what do you see on your screen? Then I say choose installation options, and there are two options. First
Yes, sir.
option is anyone who uses this computer, in
Yes.
brackets, all users. The second option
Okay.
is only for me,
Only
in
for
brackets, Amruth. That is how you have
two.
to, respond. Hmm?
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
Then you are finding the same options, right? So you have to
Yes, sir.
select anyone who uses this computer, because nowadays what happens is this machine can be used by your colleague, your siblings, correct? They would also want to understand. They may not have laptop. You wanted them to experiment on Arduino, then you can so share your laptop with them under supervision, not without supervision. Okay. So you can say
Okay,
anyone
sir.
who uses this computer.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Then say next. What is
Okay.
the next screen you get?
Do you want to allow this app to make
Correct.
change
Correct.
to your
So it
device?
says user account control. That is what you have to read. The topmost line. So you're reading the question, not the line above, correct? So can you
Okay.
read it
Yes,
once
sir.
again?
Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?
Yes.
Two
Okay.
options is there, yes or no?
Then yes. Obviously, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what does it say?
For Arduino IDE setup, terms
Arduino
and
IDE
conditions.
setup. Louder, clear,
Got
loud. You have
two
to be
options
loud.
is there. I agree and cancel.
Yeah. So you have to proceed with I agree, correct? There is no,
Oh,
we
okay, sir.
wanted to go ahead. So what is the next
Yes, sir.
screen?
Choose install location.
So that is your
Destination
folder.
file.
Remember
Yes,
that
sir.
folder. As we remembered Python 311 folder, right? Python IDLE
Yes.
folder we have understood. So it is very
Yes, sir.
important to understand this. So it is getting stored.
Okay.
Where is it getting stored? Can you tell me where destination folder is?
Destination folder is C program files, Arduino IDE.
Okay. Then you say install. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So it will install Arduino IDE. It will take maybe a minute or two, okay, to complete it. Okay. Then after you complete this, then you can close this window, and then you can once again go back to your the Windows prompt, search, and then there you have to type Arduino, Arduino. That is the spelling you have to type. Remember that spelling. Many people will, get it wrong. Okay, they get it wrong. So you have to understand the meaning of that and the spelling of that. Arduino. Okay. So Arduino. That is what you have to type. So it will take some time for you to install. So maybe a minute or two. So yeah, the moment you complete it, let us once again, see how to invoke it. Invoking it is starting it. You can use word of invoking it, invocation. Okay. So I am typing that, invoking the IDE or okay. How far did it come? How far, is your installation? Can you share me the screenshot for that?
Yes, sir.
In the chat window? You know how to share screenshot, right? I have given you the, shortcut keys, correct?
Yes, sir.
Control Alt print screen, and then
Yes, sir.
Control V. That's
Control
it.
V.
Fantastic. Yeah. So let it get installed, and we will progress quickly. And if I am getting disconnected also, the next thing you can do is you can basically close the installation. You can finish the installation, and then what you do is you go to your Windows button in the search. You type Arduino. That's it. You will get the IDE. You select that. That will open a window. So this is a, we should not call this as even introduction. Okay, this is a brief. Okay, not even introduction. I am telling this is a brief. Okay. So introduction, actually, you have to talk about the entire board, number of ports, number of pins, what each pin is related to, how can you connect analog, how can you connect digital, all that stuff will be there. That will be introduction. Okay. So good. I think this is the first time you are seeing an Arduino board, correct?
Sir.
Yeah. So did you get the finished screen?
Yes, sir.
Did you get
user account control. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A user account control, any number of times let it come, you can say yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Yes, then you can complete the.
Would you like to install this device software? Always trust software for Adafruit Industries. Install or don't install?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Press it to install, sir.
Yes. You have to select install.
Sir, Windows security also. Would you like to install this software?
Yes, please go ahead and say yes.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Because it normally, what it does is it writes some drivers onto your machine.
Okay.
So that is the reason, if you have any antivirus program, anti-malware, okay, then those messages pop up saying that, okay, do you want to really install this application, because it may harm your computer. Any software which is interacting with your hardware, it is a threat for your computer. So that is what you have to remember. Okay. Yeah. What's the status of the installation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Installing, or it has completed?
Completed also. Sir.
Okay. What does it say? What is the completion message that it gives?
Okay. Sir, completing Arduino IDE setup.
Okay. Okay. Then does it also show run Arduino IDE? That is selected, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then you can say finish. Okay.
Okay.
So then you will finally get the Arduino IDE. You don't have to type, because next time onwards, if you are closing this, then you have to type, Arduino, and then it will get invoked. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, please treat this as a small intro. Okay. And normally what you get is you will have a screen which looks much similar
Sir,
to what I am.
I send it in the chat.
Oh, super. You have become quick, Shiva. That's good. That's good. Like that. Yeah. So this is a sample program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We
Okay,
will
sir.
continue this in the next sessions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So try to have a very closer look at the board, and I have sent you images, right? Compare both of them, image on your laptop, and then see the board whether they are same or not. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We will catch up later. We have a lot of good
Okay.
things to do, Shiva. I think
Okay,
this
sir.
is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye bye. Take care. In case of any troubles, you can call me.
Okay, okay, sir.
Personal troubles too.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay then. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay.